Here's my little hack for cooking soup perfectly. So we cooked the pasta and we put the beans separate so that that wouldn't be in the mix, because those two items don't freeze and reheat particularly well in soup, but this broth is just gonna be perfect. So these are super cubes. They're a little spendy, but I just asked for them for Christmas one year, so you know, if that's an option. But these are just silicone, like giant ice cube trays. This is the 1 cup variety. And so you just fill up each of these individual portions and then you can freeze them. Once they are frozen, you can pop these out, wash this, and then reuse it for whatever, and just throw your popped out little soup ice cubes into a freezer bag. So I have 2 of these. For us, that's plenty, but this just makes freezing soups and sauces and like mac and cheese just to have like a little 1 cup's worth. That's awesome. Because sometimes you just need a little something, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and put the rest of the soup in here so I can enjoy it later this winter.